You will love this Obsidian Black Pearl 2012 Subaru Impreza wagon all-wheel drive, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. Enjoy an impressive 25 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, windows, rear wiper with washer, windows, lockout button, windows, front wipers, variable intermittent, power windows, with safety rever SE, windows, illuminated power window switches, suspension, front arm type, lower control arms, suspension, front spring type, coil springs, windows, rear wiper, fixed intermittent, sport suspension, one-touch windows, 1, daytime running lights, rear seats, rear heat, vents, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2012 Subaru Impreza. See us at Parkway Toyota today.